Fahrenheit.
More goals, more games, more passion. Blues versus Stoke in the League Cup. Tonight from 7.
BBC WM 95.6.
More football. So, what age do you feel most content? What age do you think you can sit back, kick back, and say, I did it my way? Rather than life beginning at 40, new research shows that 54 is when a man feels more content. Why is this sexy? What's a man? What about a woman? Anyway, apparently when a man can handle his baldness, handle his slight girth, maybe, feels good about himself. 54. Do you feel content? Listen, I want to talk to somebody who is content. And what do you make of this? Do you make of this just a PR pass, if you like? Probably trying to sell something off the back of it, I don't know. I just don't know where they come up with these numbers. Now, Lynn Larman is from Birmingham. She set up her own business 2 years ago. She's 60, and she says you have more contentment as you get older. Is that right, Lynn?
Yes, it certainly is. It may be a different contentment, but you have a contentment.